Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a review on this lovely hair that I've got in here. This hair comes from a company called AliPearl, which is branched off of AliExpress. So yeah, I'm actually gonna stop talking like this and actually get into the review. Hey guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. As I just said, I'm gonna give you guys a review on this hair. I got this hair from AliPearl and it is actually a wig. This wig is 22 inches. It's a little bit damp right now because I just defined my curls, but this is where it falls in the front. And I'm actually gonna stand up for you guys so you can see where it falls in the back. Okay, so I am 5'1". And as I said, this hair is 22 inches, so this is where it falls in the back. Oh, don't want booty in the frame. Yeah, but I actually wanted to get 24 inches, but 22 was just fine for a shorty like me. So if you all are interested in knowing how I define these curls, how I achieve this look, how I maintain my curls, I actually recorded a whole separate video giving you my curly hair routine, so I will link it down below if you're interested in that. As far as this hair, I love it. I literally love this hair. Like, it gives me no issues, and I feel like I say that a lot with hair that I have, but what I've realized, I guess you could say, is that how much you like the hair, how well it cooperates for you, is all based on how you are as a hairstylist. And I don't even mean that in a professional way, but just like how you upkeep your hair. I can't stress this enough. You have to treat your extensions the exact same way, give it the same TLC that you would your natural hair. I mean, if you're getting virgin hair, it is coming from someone else's scalp. So if you treat it that way, I promise you, like, you will get good results. I take really good care of my hair, and I think that that's why I am able to always have like such good experiences with the hair that I wear. So this hair is actually a deep wave. I know it looks very curly, but that is just because I give it that extra TLC. I want my curls to pop. And this was actually my first time purchasing a wig, so I was nervous about that, but I was very impressed with how it came. It was pre-plucked for those who are beginners and like scared to try a wig, and you know, the plucking is a big process. I did make myself a wig about a year ago. Did it once, never again. It's just too time consuming. I do love the convenience of wigs, but I just would prefer for someone else to make it for me. So I'm going to include a clip of the hair, the way that it came when I received it, its packaging, everything like that. Alrighty, so here is the package that the wig comes in. It includes an elastic band which you can sew onto the unit for some extra security. They also provided a couple of wig caps as well as some instructions on how to care for your wig. Now, this last little treat that they sent with the hair was really the icing on the cake for me. Girl, a whole silk bag to keep y'all wig in on the off seasons. So I thought that was pretty thoughtful and convenient. Here is the wig straight out of the box in its natural state before being co-washed or anything. I'm just showing you guys the lace. It's a bit more transparent in my opinion, which is a major key to melting that frontal when you're applying the wig. As you can see, it comes pre-plucked with some baby hairs, and those knots are just screaming for attention. But don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and bleach them to achieve a more seamless look. So, as promised, I did bleach the knots using some Kaleidacolors bleach powder and some 30 volume developer. When bleaching your knots, you want the mixture to be quite thick, not runny, or else it'll seep through the lace and bleach the actual hair, and ain't nobody got time for that. So here I'm just gonna scoop up some of the product with my brush to show you the type of consistency that you should be aiming for. And now that the bleach has been applied to the lace, a very smooth coating, I'm just going to pick it up to show you that it isn't bleeding onto the hair. It is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, honey, okay? That little baby, listen. So this is the wig after I have bleached the knots. I have not tweezed anything yet. So this is the natural pre-plucked hairline that it came with right out of the package. I think they did a really good job for me to have not gone in and done any customizations of my own yet. So yeah, I'm super excited to put this bad boy on, and I clearly have gotten the bed wet because this hair has just been co-washed, but the curls are beautiful. There was quite a bit of shedding. It did tangle a bit when I was first combing it out, but it is curly hair, so that is a bit expected. But yeah, I'm like super excited to see how this unit looks after it's installed. But yes, this hair has just been so magnificent to me. I do not have issues with tangling. I do not, you know what, let me stop. I don't have significant issues with shedding. The hair does shed, only when I'm detangling it. I'd probably say, I mean, I couldn't even give you an estimate of like how many strands, and we're not gonna get into specifics, but just know that it's nothing unbearable. Like I said, if you take care of your hair. You cannot be disrespecting your hair, not tying it up at night, not moisturizing it, not keeping it up, and then wondering why it's matted and tangled. And like, be real. Be real. Like, we know how it is with our real hair. It's the same with extensions. Like, that's just that. That's just that on that. The wig only tangles as much as any curly hair. Like, they're locked in, they're intertwined. So you have to expect that with any hair that has some type of coily form. I ordered this wig in a cap size medium, and I did that because I got a 5 head, and so I assumed that I was going to need a bigger cap size. I didn't measure my head before I ordered it, but I had a sew-in at the time, so I knew it was a little bit bigger. Anyway, I could have just gotten a size small because there are adjustable straps in the back, and I ended up having to put it on the tightest strap. For the front, it is like frontal style, and I bought some bold holds for $40 a waist. I will stick to my got to be. Like, it's too much. It just gets too, nah, not a fan. I had the bold hold active, and the first day I did my hair, it's great, whatever. This is a little snippet of the hair when I first applied it. So initially I went for a kind of no part flip over method. It just gets like white after a while. It gets so sticky and gooey, and like you gotta scrub it out so much, like on the frontal. Like, it's just, I wouldn't suggest it. I say stick with the bold hold because it's iconic. Overall, this hair has just been such a dream for me. It's so easy to manage, and as you can see, like it's undeniable. The curls are amazing. Granted, I did get this hair shortly before my birthday. My birthday was August 19th, so it hasn't even been a full month yet, and I know that, you know, that first month, and all hair is good when you first get it. I don't see any real problems with the hair or something that I can see developing into an issue. Like I said, the two major things with any hair you get are going to be shedding and tangling, and I personally just don't think that this hair sheds or tangles to the point where I'm like, okay, get this out of my head. I ain't fucking with it. So with that being said, like, I'll come back and give you guys an update after it's been a couple months. Like, but I don't have anything to complain about. Like, even a lot of times with curly hair, it'll like mat up around the neck. I don't have that issue, and this is not sponsored. Nobody paid me to say this. Nobody sent me this wig. I spent it with my own money. And speaking of money, let me run that back. Run that back, because I forgot the most important part. Says you gotta know where you put your queens. Now look, we all know me when it comes to hair. I don't mind spending a pretty penny on something that I believe is good quality. I roughly spend about $400 to $500 every time I buy my hair, and I have no remorse. It is what it is. I'm very proud of my irresponsible spending. But this hair, I wanted to do something that was more affordable because I did know I wanted to do a review on it, but I also wanted to do something that met my standards. So I found this hair, and I spent, I want to say like $220 something on this hair. Don't remember the exact dollar amount. Shoot me. I went and double checked for you guys just to confirm the exact dollar amount that I spent. It was actually $236. That's how much I paid for this hair. But I do have a $10 off coupon code for you guys if you want to go purchase this hair. You know what I'm saying? So if you would like to use code AliPearl and then U as in YOU TB for YouTube, you'll get $10 off. Boop! Thank me later. I'm also going to leave it down in the description bar in case that was a little too confusing. Unless I was talking too fast, you ain't catch that. You know what I'm saying? If you keep rewinding, you still ain't get it. I got you. We got this. It's down there, period. That's all I can really think of at the moment that's worth telling you guys about the hair. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. What would I give this hair on a scale from 1 to 10? I'd probably say like an 8.5, 9. I absolutely love this hair. Only thing that's stopping me from giving it a straight up 10 out of 10 is the fact that I haven't had it in very long. So this is closer to an initial review, if anything. Yeah, I love it. Go cop you some. Go ride this wave, sis. Hurry up, because summer almost over, and y'all know we bring out the curls for the girls in the summer. It's about to get a little cool outside. You better hurry up to get this before it's too late. But yeah, guys, I hope that this video was helpful. Stay tuned for a follow-up review on this hair. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.